Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Let's start learning Chinese characters for body parts. In this series, we'll focus on the basic ones that describe different parts of our body. Today, we're going to explore the Chinese character tou, which means head. Sometimes the character tou can also refer to the top part of an object or something that comes first in order. Its meaning depends on what other characters it combines with. For example, 头发 means hair. 头骨 means skull. Here, 头 refers to a part of the human body, the head. 笔头 means pentip. 山头 means mountaintop. In these words, 头 means the top part of something. 头等座 means first-class seat. 头三天 means the first 3 days. Here, 头 refers to something at the beginning or first in order. The character, tou, is also often used as a noun suffix. For example, 石头 means stone. 木头 means wood. Here, tou doesn't really change the meaning. It's just a common ending. Many words are formed in the same way. Tou is a simplified Chinese character. Its evolution in ancient scripts was quite complex, and it eventually became the traditional form, tou. The left part represents the pronunciation, tou, while the right part originally meant head. In 1956, China simplified nearly 600 traditional characters. In earlier usage, this character, tou, mainly appeared as a noun suffix without a specific meaning. Because both characters shared the same pronunciation, so the simplified character, tou, was used to replace the traditional form, tou, in simplified Chinese. Let's practice reading this character together. Tou, tou, tou. This is a single component character made up of 5 strokes, 2 dots, 1 horizontal stroke, 1 left falling stroke, and 1 right falling 2 dots. Now, let's write it step by step. First, write 2 dots in the upper left part of the grid. Below them, draw a long horizontal line. Next, on the right side of the dots, write a left falling stroke. Finally, at the intersection of the horizontal line and the left stroke, draw a right falling 2 dots. Take a closer look. It's basically Da wearing 2 tiny dots as a hat. Finally, let's learn a fun and authentic Chinese expression. When people split something, one person usually gets the bigger share and the other gets the smaller one. You can say, 你拿大头，我拿小头. That means, you take the bigger share, I'll take the smaller one. Haha, just remember, here, 大头 doesn't mean a big head, and 小头 doesn't mean a small head. Interesting, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More Chinese character stories are coming soon.